Everyone is telling you that AI can help you with Facebook ads, but no one is showing you exactly how. So here's the deal. I use ChatGPT to create a full-blown ad campaign, copy, creatives, and even product mockups in less than 5 minutes. No designer, no copywriter, no Canva, no Photoshop. And in this video, I am going to show you step-by-step breakdown of how you can do the same. Whether you're a marketer, a business owner, or a freelancer, this will change the way you look at ad creation forever. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I am Sandeep Aveja and I help brands and performance marketers scale faster using the latest ad strategies, tools, and now AI. Today's video is a full masterclass on using ChatGPT 4.0 to create Facebook and Instagram ads that look stunning, convert better, and can be made in just minutes. And I'm not just talking about the copy, I'm talking about the full ad creatives, lifestyle shots, product banners, website mockups, infographics, carousels, and much more. Let's start with how powerful this really is. Look at this product image. Now look at the final ad ChatGPT created for me using that. The layout, the font, the background, even the visual balance between the product and props, everything was built with AI. And all I did was upload two things, which is a simple product image, a reference ad I liked, and give it a detailed prompt. That's it. That's all I did, and it gave me such a good result. Because from there, ChatGPT recreated the reference layout, swapped in my product, generated the copy, applied my brand color palette, and even adjusted the positioning of the elements based on visual hierarchy. I know it's pretty wild, right? But that's not it. Let me walk you through how I built this from scratch and how you can too. Now, before you even open ChatGPT, you will need a clear product image. It can be taken from your phone. No worries about that. Then you need a reference ad. You can grab this from Facebook ads library or your competitor. Just go ahead and use it. You also need to have just a basic idea of what your ad should say or convey. Now this works for any niche, which is skincare, apparel, home decor, supplements, or even services as well. Once you have all these things, open ChatGPT 4.0 and go to the image plus text mode. Or in the command, you can write create image. Now here's where the fun begins, which is step 2. Upload both your product image and reference creative, then use this particular prompt. Create an ad inspired by design, layout, and copy format of the first image, but use the product and styling from the second image. Apply a studio style background, align text as seen in the reference, and generate ad copy that focuses on. You can insert the benefits over here, or you can ask ChatGPT to insert benefits. You can even mention visual cues like clean shadows, use of props, background color, give the hexacode, font styles, example, bold, sans serif, modern, whatever works. Be as detailed as you can basically. ChatGPT will then generate the image, and in 2 to 3 minutes, you will have something that looks professionally designed and mind-blowing. But what if you don't have a reference creative or want to create something from scratch and, really nice? So let's explore that. So we move on to our step 3. Now this is one of my favorite parts. Let's say you have clicked a picture of your product at home on your table, no fancy setup. Just upload that to ChatGPT with this particular prompt. Make this look like a professional studio product photo shoot, add white background with subtle shadows, center the product and clean up the lighting. Add water droplets and a fresh aesthetic. You can obviously do whatever you want over here, but this is what I chose. What you get in return literally looks like a 50,000 rupees product shoot. And I'm not even kidding about it. This is so good. You can even get it to add your brand tagline and logo or adjust label clarity. This trick alone can save lakhs in Photoshop if you are just launching or testing products. Now, what if you want to place this product in a lifestyle setting? That's where we come to our step 4. And here's what I did. I had a client who sells t-shirt, but they had no shoot, no models, just a flat lay product image. That's it. So what I did is I uploaded all these images inside the ChatGPT and used this particular prompt, which is generate a lifestyle image of an Indian man wearing this t-shirt outdoors in neutral sunlight. Make it look like a candid shot for Facebook or Instagram ads. And this is what ChatGPT gave me. A fully AI rendered human model with my product worn correctly, and then this image looks legit like a UGC ad shot. Like, it's so good. Now you can do this with sneakers, accessories, skincare products, food items, water bottles, whatever you can think of. The possibilities are endless. I'm not going to bore you with that. I hope now you understand what I'm talking about. But now that we have the creatives, we'll design the copy. And that's where we come to step 5, which is writing an ad copy that converts. And this is where ChatGPT shines again. Once you have the visual, just prompt this particular thing. Write the ad copy in this format: hook, problem, solution, then a CTA. Target audiences, you can insert your target audience. Then product is, insert the particular product. Benefits are, you can insert the particular benefits. Tone is casual, conversational, and persuasive, and that's all. You can even ask for multiple versions, like you can ask for AIDA, PAS, or testimonial style, bold one-liners, depending upon whatever you are comfortable with. I often ask ChatGPT to give 5 variants and then choose the one that aligns best with the creative. Pair the copy with visual and you are 90% ready. But let's take it one step further. And that brings us to step 6. What if you want a carousel for Instagram, or a how-to graphic, or a landing page header, or even a before and after image? You can do all of that inside ChatGPT with the right prompt. Example, for a carousel, generate 3 image ads for this product in carousel format. Each should highlight one benefit, have consistent design, and be formatted in 1:1 ratio for Instagram. Don't forget to mention this ratio. Now for product pages, you can create a high resolution hero image with product on the right, headline and CTA on the left. Make it minimal, mobile friendly, and brand colored. And when you are doing this particular thing with this, which is a landing page, I'll also ask you to check out Tria. I hope the name is correct of the tool. And the second one is Google Firebase. Go ahead and check it out. They are free and you can use them as much as you want. ChatGPT is not good at creating landing pages, so that's why I'm recommending these 2 tools. You should. Bolt is also one of those, but it is paid. Therefore, I'm not recommending that. So go ahead, use the tools that I just mentioned. There's also one more which is from a Chinese company, but I'm not recommending anything Chinese. So I hate Chinese. So I'm not going to recommend that. Yeah. If China attacks us, we don't like them. That's it. It's not racism. It's pure common sense. I don't like Chinese. You can even use these to have a mock-up of e-commerce websites, header image, banner, upsell section, trust badges, everything. You can literally just drop in everything and ChatGPT or these tools which I just mentioned will create it for you. This literally replaces designer, copywriter, photographer, website, wireframer all in one tool. Now, I know what you're thinking. What if it messes up the text? What if I want to tweak something? So let's talk about that. Because currently ChatGPT's output is not that good, to be very honest. Sometimes the text might look off, or maybe an arrow is pointing wrong, or maybe the text is getting cut out from the frame that you asked it to design. So just use this particular prompt, which is move the text to the top left and clean black font, make it bigger and bolder and keep the product centered. Or say something like change the offer in the circle, blah, 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 blah. Basically be very specific about what you want to change and also ask it to keep everything same. And ChatGPT will instantly regenerate it and give you a better result. I'm not going to say that there won't be back and forth. Obviously, AI is right now at its nascent stage, so there is a lot of back and forth. You might have to waste 10 to 15 minutes of yours, but not more than that. So keep that thing in mind. Now, there's a bonus. Let's say you want a video out of these visuals. So what you can do is export them and import them in Sora or Runway ML and turn them into scroll stopping motion ads. There are a few other tools which I have mentioned in one of the doc, which will be attached in the description below. So you can go ahead and check that out. And through this, you will be able to create a lot of AI videos from your product mockup as well. So what we used to do in weeks, now that we can basically do it in just minutes. Using ChatGPT 4.0 and the tools that I mentioned, you can generate high converting ad creatives, videos, landing pages, write persuasive ad copy in proven frameworks, replace expensive photo shoots, get lifestyle images, carousels, banners, and even full website mockups. I just said website mockup earlier also, but you got the point. This is a paradigm shift in creative production, and the best part, you don't need to be a designer or even a techie. Just learn how to prompt well. That's why we say, guys, prompt engineering at its best. Learn prompt engineering. Everyone needs to know that. Right? So if you want access to the exact prompts that I used in this particular video and more templates, then you can click the document which is pinned in the description. So just go ahead and click on it. And if this video helped you, then share it with your friends. Okay? Why are you just keeping it to yourself? Share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel if you want to stay updated with all the AI and Facebook ads marketing stuff. That's all. And if you are looking to upskill yourself more, then you might be interested in checking out these videos which are appearing on your screen. Until next time, bye-bye.